Good morning, children. I welcome you all to our Hindi class. Before I start our class, I would like to thank each and everyone who have sent your homework in a proper time and in a neat manner. So everybody give an applause for yourself. Clap yourself. I cannot hear. Yes, very nice. Now it looks good, right? Okay. Now shall we get into our class now? Okay. Now open page number 6. Okay. In page number 6, yesterday we saw meanings in English. Yes or no? Yes. Now we are going to see meanings in Hindi. So what do you call? What do you mean by that? Synonyms. What it is? Synonyms. Yes or no? Okay. Now see the here pado or samjo. So what do you mean by pado? Pado means to read. Pado means to read. Out and samjo means to understand. So read and understand. Understand? Now repeat after me. What is this letter? What is this? Yes. U, ch, ch. Uch. How do you pronounce? U, ch, ch. Uch. So what do you mean by uch? उच का मतलब क्या है? यस, उच मतलब ऊंचा. उच मतलब ऊंचा. So ऊंचा means height. ऊंचा means height. So how do you read this? This is badi u. Yes or no? Yes. So u in cha. Uncha. Understand? Say again. U in cha. Uncha. Understand? Now next. Sa ga r. Sagar. Repeat again. Sa ga r. Sagar. What do you mean by sagar? Samudra. What do you mean by that? Samudra. Sa mu the half ra. Can you see the stroke here? Yes. What is that? Half ra. So the and ra will give you dra. So sa mu dra. Samudra. What it is? Samudra. So sagar matlab samudra. Understand? Next. The Rati. Dharti. Say again. The. What it is? Yes. Rati. Very good. Dharti. Dharti का मतलब जमीन. धरती का मतलब जमीन. So जमीन. 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 धरती. जमीन. Understand? Now next. Kya? See here it is half per. What it is? See here. Can you see here? It is half per. Okay. Per and this is ya. Pya. So per and ya will give you pya. So pya ra. Pyara. Understand? Say again. Pya ra. Pyara. Pyara मतलब priya. Priya. So how do you read this? Per, half ra. This is small e. Yes or no? So pri. This is ya. Priya. Pyara. Priya. Understood? Shall we see this again? Yes. Uch. Uncha. Very good. What is this? Sagar. Samudra. Dharti. Zameen. Pyara. Priya. Next. Mastak. Ma. Sa. Ta. Ka. Mastak. Understand? मस्तक मतलब माथा. मस्तक मतलब माथा, माथा, माथा. Understand? Mastak matlab matha. So here I want to say something. Yesterday I saw some children writing this sir as a complete sir. This is not a complete sir. It is half sir. Can you see here it is ma half sir. So mastak, mastak. Understand? So don't make this mistake. So write a complete that word but not a complete sir. It is half sir. Understand? Next. Jal. Jal. Repeat again. Jal. Jal. Jal matlab पानी, 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 पानी. Jal, पानी. Understand? Next. Gar, 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 gar. Gar matlab grah. Gar, see here, r. This is also called as half r. So gar, grah, 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 grah. So gar, grah. Okay, gar can be called as grah also. Next, rah, 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 rah. Rah matlab रास्ता. रा half sa ta, रास्ता. रा स ta, रास्ता. राह, रास्ता. Understand? Now shall we go to the next one? Once we will repeat this again. Mastak, mata. Jal, पानी. घर, ग्रह. राह, रास्ता. Next. Pag, pug. What is this? Pag, pug. What do you mean by pug? Pug का मतलब पैर. पग का मतलब पैर. So पैर, पैर. Okay, don't read this as पैर. It is पैर. Understand? It is पैर. पैर, पैर. Okay. So when you pronounce it in a wrong way, it becomes पैर. Okay, it is not पैर. It is पैर. Understand? So pug, पैर. Next, पेड़, पेड़. Repeat again. पेड़, पेड़. पेड़ का मतलब वृक्ष. वृक्ष, 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 वृक्ष. पेड़, वृक्ष. देश, 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 देश. देश मतलब राष्ट्र. राष्ट्र, राष्ट्र. See, you have a half r here. So राष्ट्र, राष्ट्र. देश, राष्ट्र. जग, 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 जग. जग मतलब संसार. स इन सा र, संसार. स इन सा र, संसार. जग मतलब संसार. So we'll repeat again. Pag, पैर. Children, please repeat after me. Pag, पैर. पेड़, वृक्ष. देश, राष्ट्र, जग, संसार. Very good. Okay, so this is the synonyms in Hindi. So one word have a similar meaning, so it can be called in another name also. Understand? Page number 6, third question. Samjho or likho. So what do you mean by samjho? Samjho means understand. Or and likho means write. So understand and write. Okay. Now this is the question answer. We are going to write the answer for it. Now children, take your pencil, sharpen and we'll start writing. Okay. Now see the first question. K. Okay. हमारे देश का नाम क्या है? Okay. What is the question word here? What do you mean by question word? Question word means who, what, where. Yes or no? Yes. So same way, find out which is the question word here. Can you find? Yes. So kya? Kya is a question word. So what do you mean by kya? Kya means what? Okay, so kya means what? Okay, so now we found out the question word. Now understand the question. Hamare. What do you mean by hamare? Hamare means ours. Hamare means ours. So hamare desh. Desh. What do you mean by desh? Our country. Desh means country. Our country. So our country ka naam. Naam means, you all know what do you mean by naam, right? Naam means name. So here the question word is what. So what is the name of our country? So what is the name of our country in the poem? We saw the summary in the last class, right? Yes. So what is the name of the country? Yes, our country name is India. So what do you call in Hindi? What do you call India as in Hindi? Yes, Bharat. Understand? Now I am going to write the answer. Children, please write it in your book with your pencil, not with the pen. Understand? Okay. You have a blank in your book, so write it there. Understand? हमारे देश का नाम, here instead of क्या, भारत है. Okay, so this is the answer. So what is the answer? हमारे देश का नाम भारत है. Understood? Now next question. भारत की नदियाँ कैसी जल से भरी है? So what is the question here? I'll read it again. भारत की नदियाँ कैसी जल से भरी है? So what is the question word here? Yes, question word is कैसी. So what do you mean by कैसी? कैसी means what kind. So कैसी means okay. So कैसी means what kind. Understand? So see the question now. Bharat. You know what do you mean by Bharat? Bharat means India. Okay. Bharat की नदियाँ. So नदियाँ means, what did we see नदियाँ in your synonyms? River. Nadiya means river. Okay. So rivers of India. So rivers of or rivers in India. Jal. Jal means water. Jal means water. Say bari. Bari means filled with. Okay. Bari hai. So, what did you understand from this question? So, what kind of water? Okay, what kind of water or river? River is filled with in India. So, India's river is filled with what kind of water? You can say in that manner also. So, what kind of water is filled in our river? How is it? It is, what did we see in our poem? In summary we saw, right? Yes. You can check out your poem again. Take out your page number 5 and you can see. Yes. In that page, see here. So I'll write down the answer. You can check out. So answer, Bharat की नदियाँ, instead of कैसी, so what kind of water does it brings? Sheetal, pure water. Sheetal means pure. So okay, भारत की नदियाँ शीतल. So now instead of कैसी we wrote शीतल. Next, शीतल जल से भरी है. So the answer is भारत की नदियाँ शीतल जल से भरी है. Understood? Next 2 questions we'll see in the next class. Okay. So today what did we see? We saw synonyms in Hindi plus 2 question answers. So today's your homework will be write down the synonyms plus these 2 questions once in your homework note. Okay, you have a common homework note, right? So in that we don't have separate homework note for Hindi. We have a common homework note in which you will be writing all the subjects. In that note, please write today's date. Please mention the date. Date is very important. So write the date and write down the synonyms in Hindi and the 2 question answers in your homework note. Understand? Thank you, children.